been talking a lot at this conference about data, about artificial intelligence. What kind of things have you done or working on doing on the back end as far as crunching data and using it strategically?
Crunching data, I feel that's a must. You have to, because data doesn't lie. It tells you what's going on. It also helps you in your training endeavors. It helps you in the coaching of the drivers because of data that you're collecting with all these tools that we're using. It gets to a point that with AI, as you mentioned, it's a buzzword for the conference that we're attending. But when I leave and go back to the office, AI buzzword's still there. And AI is in every walk of life that we're dealing with right now. And with the camera systems, for example, there's a lot of AI elements within the camera systems that we're utilizing. You see drivers following too close. The AI says they're 2 seconds behind the vehicle in front of them, or the AI identifies stop sign up ahead or traffic lights up. If one of our drivers did a rolling stop, AI is going to detect that this was the stop sign and this is where it was at. So I think at the end of the day, if we welcome AI within the trucking industry, I think at the end of the day, we'll be much better off if we utilize it properly.
Yeah, I think that's the thing is learning how to use it, whether it's just learning how to do prompts with ChatGPT to write things or whatever. And obviously on the back end, it's just, you can't just say, all right, it's AI. It's going to solve everything. It needs people to work with it.
I think so. I think you're right on that. I firmly believe that with AI, there's got to be some sort of human element. I mean, because there's a lot of, I've done my research on like ChatGPT, and I think there's one, Perplexity is another revolutionary AI, and you got to be careful, because you got to remind them, let's translate this into a human form instead of the AI. And but you need to, if you're using it, you still have to peruse the data, make sure there's no errors, omissions, something of that nature that might be missing, correct it. Everybody needs correction, whether you're human or you're AI, right? So, but I welcome it. I think you got to get on that train because it's here to stay and it's evolving quickly.
It is, absolutely. It's amazing how fast it's exploded.
Absolutely.